Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me, Bhavna. So, this is gonna be a very special video for me because this is another DIY, but this is Ganesha and Gauri. So, please do watch this video till end, as I have showed each and every bit and piece of how I prepared Ganesha with only two ingredients, that is gram flour and turmeric, without missing any single detail. So hope this video will help you a bit. And doing DIY gives a lot of happiness, peace and everything. So it's good to cultivate DIY activities more. Also make sure that you watch this video till end, and also like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And now comes the toughest part of doing Ganesha. That is attaching the hands. I literally felt difficult till the last step, because as it is a gram flour, it was often breaking down. That is the biggest disadvantage of that. For attaching that, you need to apply water and attach it. That's it. Apart from this, there are many advantages of doing Ganesha with the gram flour and turmeric. That too, we have made our Ganesha, and that is what makes it so special one. It took me more than 3 hours to do Gauri and Ganesha, but it won't take more than 5 seconds to like this video. So please, you make sure that you have liked this video. for the entry of Raj, Mushik Raj. And here comes my favorite part, that is highlighting the yellow Ganesha and as well as my very cute Gauri Devi. Hope you all like this video, and this will be definitely useful for you people also. If not this year, then you can even do this even next year, because moving a step towards building a healthy environment is very important in nowadays to save this earth for the future generation. Hope this video will be helpful for you people also. uh, don't forget to like, share, and comment down your opinion about this video. Once again, a very happy Gauri Ganesha festival to everyone. Let his blessings be with you in all the time and all the situations.